Hey there, TikTok fam! Are you ready to unlock the secrets to making money online in 2024? Well, you're in the right place. Whether you're a newbie or a seasoned creator, I've got some game-changing tips to help you kickstart your journey to financial freedom right here on TikTok. In 2024, TikTok remains a popular platform for content creators to make money. Here are some beginner-friendly ways to potentially earn money on TikTok. Creating engaging content on TikTok involves a combination of creativity, authenticity, and understanding your audience. Here are some tips to help you create content that captivates and resonates with TikTok users. Know your audience. Understand the demographics, interests, and preferences of your target audience. Tailor your content to appeal to their tastes and provide value that keeps them coming back for more. Stay authentic. Be true to yourself and showcase your unique personality, talents, and perspectives. Authenticity resonates with viewers and helps build a genuine connection with your audience. Follow trends. Keep an eye on trending challenges, memes, and hashtags on TikTok. Participate in relevant trends and put your own creative spin on them to stand out and attract attention. Use eye-catching visuals. Capture viewers' attention with visually appealing content, including vibrant colors, dynamic camera angles, and creative editing techniques. Experiment with different visual styles to find what works best for your content. Keep it short and snappy. TikTok videos have a maximum length of 3 minutes, but shorter videos tend to perform better. Keep your content concise, engaging, and to the point to maintain viewers' interest from start to finish. Tell a story. Use storytelling techniques to engage and entertain your audience. Create a narrative arc. Build suspense, or evoke emotions to keep viewers invested in your content. Encourage interaction. Prompt viewers to engage with your content by asking questions, inviting comments, or using interactive features like polls, quizzes, and challenges. Respond to comments and engage with your audience to foster a sense of community. Showcase your skills and talents. Highlight your expertise, talents, or hobbies in your content. Whether you're a musician, dancer, artist, chef, or fitness enthusiast, showcase what makes you unique and showcase your skills to inspire and entertain your audience. Experiment with different content formats. Explore a variety of content formats, including tutorials, comedy skits, educational videos, behind-the-scenes footage, and product reviews. Mix things up to keep your content fresh and appeal to different audience preferences. Optimize for sound. Sound plays a crucial role in TikTok content. Use popular songs, sound effects, voiceovers, or original audio to enhance your videos and create a memorable viewing experience. Build a following. Consistently post content and interact with your audience to grow your following. Engage with comments, follow trends, and collaborate with other creators to expand your reach. Join the TikTok Creator Fund. TikTok offers a creator fund where you can earn money based on the performance of your videos. To be eligible, you need to meet certain criteria, including having at least 10,000 followers and reaching a certain view count threshold. The TikTok Creator Fund provides an opportunity for creators to earn money based on the performance of their videos. Here are some tips to maximize your earnings through the Creator Fund. Consistently post high-quality content. The more engaging your videos are, the more likely they are to get views and increase your earnings. Focus on creating content that resonates with your audience and encourages interaction. Follow TikTok's guidelines. Make sure your content complies with TikTok's community guidelines and standards. Content that violates these guidelines may not be eligible for the Creator Fund, and your account could face penalties. Engage your audience. Interact with your viewers by responding to comments, hosting Q&A sessions, and participating in trends and challenges. Building a strong connection with your audience can increase engagement and boost your earnings. Use hashtags wisely. Incorporate relevant hashtags into your video descriptions to increase discoverability. Research trending hashtags in your niche and use them strategically to reach a larger audience. Diversify your content. Experiment with different types of content, such as tutorials, comedy skits, or behind-the-scenes footage, to keep your audience engaged and attract new followers. Promote your videos. Share your TikTok videos on other social media platforms to drive traffic and increase views. Encourage your followers to like, comment, and share your content to improve its performance. Monitor your analytics. Pay attention to TikTok's analytics to track the performance of your videos and identify trends. Use this data to optimize your content strategy and maximize your earnings. Collaborate with other creators. Partner with other TikTok creators to cross-promote each other's content and reach new audiences. Collaborations can help increase your visibility and grow your following, leading to higher earnings from the Creator Fund. Brand partnerships and sponsorships. As your following grows, you may attract the attention of brands looking to partner with influencers. Reach out to brands that align with your content and audience, or wait for them to approach you. Be transparent with your audience about sponsored content. Affiliate marketing. Partner with brands and promote their products or services in your videos using affiliate links. You'll earn a commission for each sale or conversion made through your unique affiliate link. Live streaming. TikTok offers a live streaming feature where viewers can send you virtual gifts that can be converted into real money. Engage with your audience during live streams by answering questions, doing Q&A sessions, or hosting interactive challenges. Virtual gifts. TikTok allows viewers to purchase virtual gifts during live streams and send them to their favorite creators. These gifts can be converted into diamonds, which creators can then cash out. Encourage your audience to send virtual gifts by offering shout-outs, special content, or exclusive access during your live streams. Brand partnerships. Collaborate with brands and businesses to host sponsored live streams. You can showcase their products or services, answer questions from viewers, or demonstrate how to use the products in real time. Make sure to disclose any sponsored content transparently to your audience. Fan donations. Enable TikTok's Live Gifts feature, which allows viewers to donate money directly to you during your live streams. You can set up donation goals, challenges, or incentives to encourage viewers to contribute. VIP access. Offer exclusive content or perks to viewers who become VIP subscribers during your live streams. VIP subscribers may receive special badges, emojis, or access to private chat rooms, depending on the features available on TikTok. Q&A sessions and tutorials. Host interactive Q&A sessions or tutorials during your live streams to engage with your audience and provide value. You can charge a small fee for viewers to ask questions or request personalized advice, similar to a virtual consultation service. Collaborate with other creators. Partner with other TikTok creators for joint live streams to cross-promote each other's content and reach a wider audience. Collaborations can attract more viewers and increase engagement during your live streams. Promote merchandise or products. Use your live streams to promote your merchandise, affiliate products, or digital goods. Showcase the items, demonstrate how to use them, and offer special discounts or promotions to your viewers during the live broadcast. Host interactive games and challenges. Organize interactive games, challenges, or contests during your live streams to keep your audience entertained and engaged. Offer prizes or rewards for participants, such as virtual gifts or shout-outs, to encourage participation. Sell merchandise. Once you have a loyal fan base, consider selling branded merchandise such as t-shirts, mugs, or stickers. TikTok has partnered with Teespring to allow creators to sell merchandise directly through the app. Create and sell digital products. If you have a particular skill or expertise, consider creating and selling digital products such as ebooks, online courses, or presets for photo or video editing software. Creating and selling digital products on TikTok can be a lucrative way to monetize your content and engage with your audience. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to create and sell digital products on TikTok. Identify your niche and audience. Determine your target audience and niche based on your expertise, interests, and the preferences of your TikTok followers. Understand their needs and preferences to create digital products that offer value and solve their problems. Choose your digital product. Decide on the type of digital product you want to create and sell on TikTok. Some popular options include ebooks. Write and design informational or instructional ebooks on topics relevant to your niche. Online courses. Create comprehensive video courses or tutorials that teach specific skills or knowledge. Templates and designs. Develop customizable templates, graphics, or designs for social media, presentations, or websites. Presets and filters. Design and sell photo or video presets and filters for editing apps. Digital artwork or music. Produce and sell digital artwork, illustrations, music tracks, or sound effects. Create high-quality content. Use TikTok to showcase your expertise, provide value to your audience, and promote your digital products indirectly. Create engaging videos that offer tips, tutorials, sneak peeks, or behind-the-scenes looks at your creative process. Promote your digital products. Incorporate calls to action, CTAs, in your TikTok videos encouraging viewers to check out your digital products. Use engaging captions, hashtags, and visuals to capture attention and drive traffic to your product listings or website. Set up an online store, choose a platform or marketplace to host and sell your digital products. You can use e-commerce platforms like Shopify, Etsy, Gumroad, or Teachable to create your online store and manage your product listings, payments, and digital downloads. Optimize your product listings, write compelling product descriptions, create eye-catching visuals, and set competitive pricing for your digital products. Use keywords and tags relevant to your niche to improve discoverability and attract potential buyers. Engage with your audience. Continue to engage with your TikTok followers by responding to comments, hosting Q&A sessions, and providing valuable content related to your digital products. Encourage feedback and reviews from satisfied customers to attract new buyers and build social proof. Promote your store on TikTok. Regularly promote your online store and digital products on TikTok through dedicated videos, product demos, testimonials, or limited-time offers. Leverage TikTok's features like live streaming and collaborations to drive traffic and sales to your store. There you have it. I hope you found these tips helpful and inspiring. Remember, consistency and creativity are key on this platform. So go ahead, put these strategies into action, and watch your online income soar. Don't forget to like, share, and follow for more valuable content. Until next time, keep hustling and thriving on TikTok.